Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your banking apps. So you do need to have the new version of iOS 18 in order to do this. So once you've downloaded that, what you then want to do is open your banking app, and then you want to hold it down. So what you want to hold that down and then press require Face ID. You then want to press hide and require Face ID. And as you can see, that app has now been hidden. So if you then swipe right and then try and find it, so if we type in, you can see that it hasn't come up for us. So what you then want to do is scroll down to the bottom, and then where it's got this hidden selection, this hidden widget at the bottom, you then want to press that. It will recognize your face, and then you can see the Nationwide app has appeared. So you can then press that, and then that will open it for you. So that's it, guys. That is how to hide your banking app. Just remember, you do need the latest version of iOS 18 in order to do this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.